Hello everyone, welcome here. Today we are here to share something new. Yes, best deals and best Black Friday offers are readily available now. Now we are offering like up to 85% of discount on online courses. These courses, you know that like self-paced learning, practical hands-on, job-ready courses. Yes, anytime in like a 24 by 7 time frame, anytime where you can learn, which you are having a facility of internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to learn something these videos in like applying of hands-on. Take a notes, pause the video lecture wherever it is required, and you have to apply hands-on to like learning these skills to apply what you are learned, what you are not learned. If you are confused in that particular concept in a particular course where you have to recheck the video, pause the video, take the notes, write your own thoughts, then it is easy for you. At the same time, when you completed the course, you will get a certification on completion. And the course accessible in 24 by 7 at any time you can learn and lifetime access. Avail this Black Friday offer very soon. It will ends. At the same time, if you are not finding what your passion and your relevant skill, comment us below. Definitely we will take a coupon availability for you and will share with you. Thank you.